over 60? Drink these 3 teas to rebuild muscle and walk strong again. Have your legs been feeling weaker lately, like they just don't carry you the way they used to? Maybe you're getting tired faster or struggling to stay steady on your feet. You're not alone. And here's the thing, it's not just old age. In fact, new research shows that certain natural teas can actually help rebuild leg strength, improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and even give your energy levels a real boost, without relying on pills or painful exercises. And the best part? These teas are simple, safe, and backed by science. For example, one long-term study in Japan followed thousands of older adults and discovered that those who regularly drank green tea were far more likely to maintain their muscle strength and balance as they aged. You can even see this in real life. Take legendary Japanese sprinter Hidaichi Miyazaki. He credited his daily cup of green tea as one of the key habits that helped him keep running well past the age of 100. In this video, we'll reveal the top 3 best teas for seniors to boost leg strength and energy. Each one carefully chosen and fact-checked by a team of health researchers, so you can trust what you're hearing. And if you stick with me to the very end, I'll share one surprising tea ingredient you've probably never heard of, but research shows it can supercharge circulation and fight muscle fatigue in older adults. You won't want to miss it. Let's dive in. Number 1. Ginger turmeric tea. A warm, soothing cup of ginger turmeric tea can be a real game changer for older adults who want stronger legs and a natural energy boost. If your legs feel heavy when you walk, or you get tired just climbing a flight of stairs, this tea might quickly become one of your favorite daily habits. Here's why it works so well. Ginger and turmeric are 2 of nature's strongest anti-inflammatory roots. Together, they don't just add comforting flavor to your tea. They actively work to ease the inflammation that causes sore joints, stiffness, and muscle fatigue. For many seniors, weak muscles aren't the only problem. It's also the aching and swelling that show up after even light activity. Ginger turmeric tea goes straight to the source of that discomfort. But it doesn't stop there. Ginger also contains natural compounds called gingerols, which research shows help improve blood circulation. Think of your legs like hard-working machines. They need a steady supply of oxygen-rich blood to stay strong and rebuild after the daily wear and tear of life. When circulation slows, your muscles don't get the nutrients they need, and that's when fatigue, weakness, or unsteadiness starts creeping in. Drinking ginger tea regularly can gently boost blood flow, helping your legs feel more alive and making each step more confident. Now, let's talk about turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, well known for its ability to fight inflammation, protect muscles from breaking down, and even support recovery after physical activity. If your knees pop when you stand, or you feel sore after just a short walk, curcumin can help calm all that down. When inflammation is reduced, your muscles can finally do their job, stabilize your body, support you, and power your every move. Here's something most people don't realize. This tea doesn't just help your legs. It also provides a natural energy lift. But unlike coffee, which can leave you jittery, ginger gives your metabolism a gentle push, helping your body turn food into usable energy more efficiently. Instead of feeling sluggish after lunch or ready to crash in the afternoon, you may find yourself more alert, motivated, and even ready for that short walk or simple leg stretches you've been putting off. And the best part, it's easy to prepare at home. All you need are a few slices of fresh ginger root, a teaspoon of ground turmeric, or fresh turmeric if you can find it, and hot water. Let it steep for about 10 minutes. Add a pinch of black pepper. That helps your body absorb curcumin better. Then sweeten with a little honey or a squeeze of lemon if you like. That's it. You've just made a simple, healing tea that supports your legs, energy, and overall well-being. Some people notice benefits in just a few days, while for others it may take a couple of weeks. But consistency is key. 1 cup a day, especially in the morning, can make a big difference in how strong your legs feel and how much energy you have throughout the day. And this isn't new. In traditional Indian households, turmeric and ginger tea has been used for generations to keep joints flexible and ease everyday aches. Even modern athletes, like NBA star Stephen Curry, have shared how turmeric is part of their recovery routine. While you don't need to train like a professional athlete, adding a cup of this tea to your daily life can give your muscles and joints a similar kind of gentle support. So, if you're serious about strengthening your legs, reducing pain, and boosting natural energy, ginger turmeric tea is one of the easiest and most enjoyable places to start. Number 2, ginseng green tea. Now let's move on to something truly revitalizing, ginseng green tea. If you've been feeling drained lately, like your legs give out halfway through the day, or you just can't seem to find that spark to keep moving, this tea could be exactly what your body has been asking for. Ginseng green tea acts like a gentle wake-up call for your entire system, your muscles, your brain, and yes, your tired legs. Here's what makes it so special. It blends two powerful plants. First, green tea, loaded with antioxidants and natural energy boosters. Second, ginseng, a root used for centuries in traditional medicine to fight fatigue, build strength, and restore vitality. Why does ginseng help your legs so much? Ginseng is famous for its adaptogenic power. That means it helps your body handle stress. And believe it or not, aging itself creates daily stress on your muscles and joints. Ginseng eases that internal strain, giving your body resilience, so your legs don't feel like they're fighting against you with every step. But there's more. Research shows ginseng can actually improve muscle performance and endurance. It helps your muscles use oxygen more efficiently, which translates to better stamina and less tiredness. Imagine walking around the house, climbing the stairs, or running errands, without feeling completely wiped out afterward. That's the difference ginseng can make over time. The role of green tea. When you pair ginseng with green tea, the benefits multiply. Green tea is packed with catechins, powerful antioxidants that fight free radicals in your muscles and joints. Why does that matter? Free radicals cause cellular damage over time, making your legs feel older than they really are. Drinking green tea regularly supports your body's natural repair process, helping your muscles stay stronger and your joints feel more capable. And unlike coffee, which can spike your energy and then cause a crash, green tea gives you a smooth, balanced lift. That's thanks to L-theanine, an amino acid that boosts alertness while also promoting calm. Combine that with ginseng, and you've got a steady, long-lasting boost in both physical and mental energy. The mental boost matters. Here's something many people overlook. When you feel sharper and more energized mentally, you naturally want to move more. That motivation gets you using your legs more often, which gradually rebuilds their strength. In other words, ginseng green tea doesn't just fuel your body. It sparks the mindset that helps you stay active. How to make it at home. Boil a cup of water, then let it cool slightly so it's not scalding. Steep a green tea bag for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add a few thin slices of ginseng root, or about 1/4 teaspoon of dried ginseng powder if that's what you have. Let it steep another 5 minutes. Add a touch of honey or a squeeze of lemon for flavor, if you like. That's it. A delicious, energizing cup of leg-friendly strength. Drink it daily for best results. It's not a quick fix. It's a gentle habit that works in the background, steadily improving your energy, balance, and mobility over time. Proof from research and real life. A study in the American Journal of Chinese Medicine found that older adults who took ginseng regularly experienced better lower body strength and less fatigue in their daily activities. And it's not just research. Well-known figures like actor Jackie Chan, now in his 70s, have mentioned using ginseng tea as part of their wellness routine to stay active for physically demanding roles. If someone in their 70s can keep moving at that level, imagine the gentle boost it could give your everyday walks, stair climbs, or light exercise. So if you're tired of dragging your feet and want to feel sharper, more mobile, and more in control of your energy, ginseng green tea deserves a permanent spot in your routine. It's more than just a drink. It's a daily nudge toward a healthier, stronger version of you. Number 3, ashwagandha root tea. Now, let's talk about a very special tea that goes beyond just supporting your legs. It helps restore balance, calm, and strength throughout your entire body. It's called ashwagandha root tea. If you've never tried it before, you might be in for a wonderful surprise. Ashwagandha is what we call an adaptogen, a natural herb that helps your body handle stress, fatigue, and the daily wear and tear of aging. For older adults, that's incredibly important because as we age, our muscles don't just weaken from inactivity. They're also affected by chronic stress, poor sleep, and hormonal changes. Hormones like cortisol and testosterone play a major role in energy and muscle tone. When they're out of balance, you can feel it in your body. Imagine this for a moment. You wake up in the morning, and instead of feeling stiff, tired, or anxious about the day ahead, you feel grounded and calm. You stretch your legs, and they actually feel ready to move. You stand up and notice that heavy feeling in your legs has lifted. That's the kind of subtle daily shift many people notice after adding ashwagandha tea to their routine. How it works in your body. When we're stressed, whether it's from health concerns, financial worries, or even poor sleep, the body releases cortisol, the stress hormone. Too much cortisol over time weakens muscles, increases belly fat, and drains energy. Ashwagandha helps regulate cortisol, calming the nervous system and sending your body a clear message. You're safe, you can relax, and you can rebuild. That simple shift helps your body prioritize healing and muscle restoration instead of constant breakdown. But that's not all. Several studies have shown that ashwagandha can increase muscle strength and endurance, even in older adults. In one clinical trial, seniors who took ashwagandha daily saw measurable improvements in lower body strength, better balance, and increased stamina within just a few weeks. It's not magic. It's simply your body finally getting the support it needs to perform at its best. Support for nerves and sleep. Ashwagandha also supports nerve health, which is critical for how your legs feel when you walk or stand. If you've ever felt shaky, unsteady, or like your legs weren't fully under your control, weak neuromuscular connections may be part of the problem. Ashwagandha strengthens those connections, improving coordination and responsiveness. And if you struggle with sleep, this tea really shines. Drinking it in the evening can help quiet your mind, reduce nighttime anxiety, and promote deeper, more restful sleep. Better sleep means better muscle recovery, because muscles repair themselves while you rest. Without quality sleep, the body simply can't rebuild strength, no matter how good your diet may be. How to prepare it? You can find ashwagandha root as dried pieces, powder, or in blended tea bags. For the purest benefits, use the dried root. Add about 1 teaspoon. Simmer gently in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Then strain and drink warm. Add cinnamon or honey if you'd like a sweeter flavor. Ashwagandha has a slightly earthy, nutty taste that pairs beautifully with warm spices. Some people enjoy it in the morning for steady, calm energy, while others prefer it at night to relax and promote muscle recovery during sleep. Either way, consistency is the secret. Make it part of your daily ritual, and your body will thank you with renewed strength and stability. Real-life inspiration. Holistic wellness experts, including celebrity physician Dr. Frank Lipman, often recommend ashwagandha for older clients dealing with fatigue and stress. Even high-profile wellness advocates over 60, like Gwyneth Paltrow's wellness team, have popularized adaptogens like ashwagandha for balanced energy and better sleep. While they may use it for overall well-being, seniors gain a unique advantage: stronger legs, better balance, and calm, lasting energy throughout the day. So, if you want to feel steadier on your feet, calmer in your mind, and stronger in your body, ashwagandha root tea is an excellent place to start. It's not just about muscles. It's about restoring physical, mental, and emotional balance. And that balance is the real foundation of lasting vitality at any age. So, there you have it. 3 powerful natural teas that can truly change how your legs feel and how much energy you have each day. Ginger turmeric tea to calm inflammation and improve circulation. Ginseng green tea to boost muscle strength and stamina. Ashwagandha root tea to restore balance, ease stress, and support overnight recovery. These aren't just warm, comforting drinks. They're simple daily tools to help you walk steadier, feel stronger, and move through life with more confidence and less pain. Remember, the secret is consistency. Just 1 cup a day, combined with gentle movement and a positive mindset, can create real improvements over time. If this video helped you, or if you're planning to try one of these teas, we'd love to hear your experience in the comments below. And if you found this valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple, research-backed health tips made just for you. You truly deserve to feel strong again. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.